problem is not a bother, let us solve it together. We face different problems every day, most of which we can solve by having proper information. At the very beginning of digital technology studies, we will find some problem around us. We will also try to find solutions for them by having proper information and make others aware. Session 1. Let's find out a daily life problem. Discuss with your friend about what problems you have faced in the last 1 week. Identify 10 problems together. We said that we would solve our problems through information. So first we will discuss what is information, what is the source of information, and different ways to search for it. Your name, age, height, what school do you go to, what class are you in, all these are information. Look around you. Everyone is your friend. You have something in common with them and you have some differences too. Let's get some information quickly. Here is the table below to make it easier for you. You can collect information from a person in it. So table number 1.1, you have to solve it with your friends or classmate. Necessity of information. Information is needed in every step of our daily life. We look at the clock when we wake up and we check our school bags and routines before going to sleep. Everything requires information. In everyday life, we have to make big or small decisions at every moment. We are not even aware of it most of the time. Let's assume we have 3 routes leading from our home to school. We need information to decide which route we should take today to go to school. Another example can be, some of our friends have come home. We want to play a game together. If the weather is good, we will go and play in the field. If it rains, we will play at home. In that case, we will decide which game we should play depending on our number. What game we can play will also depend on the required tools and if we have them. So what information do we need here? Weather information and the game tools we have. Let's do some exercises. If you are asked from the previous example, you have to decide what to take in your bag before you go to school tomorrow. The information you need is which sessions will be held tomorrow. Your information source is your class or session routine. Let's identify some problems. We need information to solve this. Let's write down the proper source of information. Table 1.2. Decision or problem. Information needed. Source of information. Example number 1. What learning materials will we take in the school bag for tomorrow's session? Information we needed. What subjects will be taught in tomorrow's session? Source of information, my session routine. Example 2. Which of the 3 roads from home to school should I take today? Information we needed. Which road is closed due to development work, or which road is underwater, or which route has more traffic, or which road takes less time. Source of information. Television or newspaper or Google Map or opinion of someone who uses the road regularly. Example 3. A picnic is being arranged at the end of winter. TV news reports that it is raining in some districts. Now, should the picnic date be postponed? Information are needed. Will it rain on the date of the picnic? Source of information. Weather reports of TV or newspapers or Google Weather or weather-related apps website. Example 4. Will you go on a tour during Pohana Boishakh? When is Pohana Boishakh this year? Source of information. We can collect it from the Bangla calendar. From this exercise, we have understood that we need different types of information depending on our problems or needs, and different types of information have different sources. Preparation for next session and homework. We have found out today that every day we face many small problems. We have to take decisions to solve them. We have learned that information helps us solve problems. After going home today, we will think about the problems around us related to our life. We have questions about those problems and can solve those if we have the right information. We will also discuss them with our family members. We will discuss these problems at the next session in our classroom. If we do not understand the task, we can ask the teacher.